The Toyota Mark II is a compact, later mid-size sedan manufactured and marketed in Japan by Toyota between 1968 and 2004. Prior to 1972, the model was marketed as the Toyota Corona Mark II. In some export markets, Toyota marketed the vehicle as the Toyota Cressida between 1976 and 1992 across 4 generations. Toyota replaced the rear-wheel drive Cressida in North America with the front-wheel drive Avalon. Every Mark II and Cressida was manufactured at the Motomachi plant at Toyota, Aichi, Japan from September 1968 to October 1993, and later at Toyota Motor Kyushu's Miyata plant from December 1992 to October 2000, with some models also assembled in Jakarta, Indonesia as the Cressida. The first series, called the Toyota Corona Mark II, was an all-new vehicle at its introduction in 1968 that sought to offer a car that was just under Japanese government regulations concerning maximum vehicle dimensions and engine displacement, thus allowing the crown to grow larger and more luxurious. Using the established platform of the Corona sedan, but slightly larger and wider, it was exclusive to Toyota store locations and offered as a competitor to the newly introduced Nissan Laurel in Japan, the Isuzu Florian, and the Nissan Bluebird Datsun 510 internationally that appeared August 1967 and 2 years after the Mazda Luce in 1966. At the Mark II's introduction in the late 1960s, Toyota was known as a small, economy car manufacturer. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.